So Aaron and I just got done with the plant tour, and what I did not expect was for it to make me a little bit emotional. And I want to explain why. It's because yesterday we got to tour the factory with nobody in it. Today all the people were in it, and it really hit me that we're all such part of a bigger team, that everybody who's working on the line, they are doing their jobs and doing them really well here at Catalina, so that we can do our jobs and do our jobs well. And even though they don't know us in Georgia, I hope they know how much we appreciate them. It's because of them that we are able to do what we do at all. And so I just felt really appreciative this morning of the bigger team that we're on, as we watch each person doing their jobs and doing it well. And you have to understand my perspective. My grandfather started his business in 1960 something, and so the RV industry has been feeding and providing for my family for 3 generations. So this is an industry that I really love and that I'm really passionate about. And for a lot of these people here at the factory, this is not just a job for them either. They really love being a part of the RV industry, being a part of this team. And so today I'm really thankful for all the people whose names that I don't know, but who are working really hard every day together with us. So I just want to show you a little bit behind the scenes and maybe see some of their faces and be really appreciative for the work they do every day too.